Alright, little redecoration. The Ackie enclosures. About every couple of months I'll come in here and move everything around and kind of freshen up the cork bark hides. Just move them around and prop them up in different ways and give him some new stuff to explore. At least he thinks it's new. It's the same stuff, just moved around, other than his little bedroom. Hey buddy, that's the one spot that he loves. That's where he sleeps. He hangs out there once the lights start going out. Yeah, I see you. I see you. What's going on? Hey, what do you think? Changing all this around. I know, right? So yeah, just kind of move some of the cork bark around a little bit and make him think he's got some new stuff to explore, and flip it over and turn it around, and down here on the bottom move his water, you know, around a little bit. It's over here. It used to be right here, so now he's got a little hole full of leaves to dig in under that driftwood. His old desert plant over here, it's about on its last leg, but we don't care because that's what it's in there for. And then this little plant, it does great. So yeah, there's his. It's Kaya. What do you think, Kaya? Huh? What do you think about all that? And then Alkira I've already done, but I'll go get a video of hers as well. Alright, this is the other enclosure. This is Alkira's female. Same thing. I just kind of moved a bunch of her cork bark. Hey Kira. Her name's Alkira, but I call her Kira. Hey honey. This is the one that I posted about last week that went on walkabout for a day, or during the day when she got out. That post should be on here, and she had her a good little time. So yeah, we're kind of moved some of the cork bark around in here. She's got that, you know, that hide box that I can turn and twist around and pull the top off and, you know, let her get in and out of it. So same thing. Let's zoom out. This is the first enclosure that I've built like this using an old cabinet. So yeah, she's got a live plant. She's got, you know, this is bioactive. Both of these are bioactive, so very, very minimum other than some spot cleaning. So yeah, there's her food bowl. You can see she likes to eat. Hey, you wanna come see what I'm doing? You wanna come see what I'm doing? I got her last year in January. She was tiny, and now she's pretty good size. Been working with her. You know, she's not 100% tame, but she'll come out and walk on my hand, and she doesn't like to be grabbed, but maybe one day we'll get there to where I can handle her like a bearded. But yeah, so we're going to update some springtails in here, and we got her some isopods that I grow in my little box here and replenish about every 3 months. And because they do, I have seen them actually go down there and dig around and hunt the isopods, so I know that these guys will eat those. So every once in a while I'll do a little check and see how many's running around, and usually about every 3 months I have to replenish them. So anyway, that's the other enclosure. So yeah, today's, I call it moving day, but it's actually just moving things around day. Give them some new stuff, or make them think they've got some new stuff to explore. Other than this, like he's got his one log that he hangs out in. She likes this one right here because she can kind of oversee the whole thing. She actually still can get behind this piece of driftwood that's mounted to the wall here. Oh, you'll see her tail sticking out. It's got a little crevice back there that she crawls into. So, you know, she jumps up there. She never really gets on that little ledge, but she kind of hangs out over there and basks. Happy little lizard. So anyway, we're gonna get some new springtails in there and some new isopods, and she'll be good to go for about 3 months. Right, Kira? Ooh, gotta clean that glass too. She does get up and mess around on the glass a little bit. All right, enough talking. Right? So get busy, man. Sleepy. Peace.